Oh, bro, you know if you step on a crack, you'll break your mother's back? Dog, what? Are you like 6 years old, bro? That's just not true. Okay, do it then. Do it then. Step on a crack and see what happens. Okay. Oh my god, this house is so messy. No one ever helped me clean or do. See, bro, nothing happened. Hey, yo, chill out, bro. You don't know that for sure. Like, I'd go home and check. Bro, shut up. You're being so. You know what? Oh no, what if I do it 2 times in a row? See, bro, nothing happened. Hello?
Your mom's dead.
Wait, what?